Welcome back, everybody. We do have a heater on today. It's a little cold in Middle Tennessee, so we do have some background noise, and I apologize for that. And you see here, we did get everything pretty much cleaned up and painted, and ready to go back together. We looked at every part and came out really nice. Electrolysis does a real good job. And the reason that this even came about is this box of parts right here. And me and Dad went to an auction about 40 miles from here, and the guy was a toy collector. He had a bunch of pedal cars and that kind of stuff. Well, everything went too high. I couldn't afford much, pretty much anything at the auction unless it was $1 or $2. And coming down to when the auction was fixing to be over, they started just piling stuff up. And I bought this and another one for $10. And if you look in there, these things right here is what started this. Because actually this road grader, I was just gonna move it on. I was gonna sell it, for a couple dollars. But I came across this box that I bought back in the summer last year, and it had them in it, which they are. It's a direct replacement for what was on there originally. So, and I did cut some new axles. Thanks to Dad, he had this over there, so I cut 3 new axles. And we will, we'll put them on there like they're supposed to be, where they're not going to go nowhere. And we took some one-shot lettering enamel and just took a little small fine brush and colored that Tonka back in there. And I kind of want it to wear down a little bit, so I've been kind of messing around with it. It's a little too bright, if you ask me, so I'll keep rubbing on it and get it to looking a little bit better. I mean, everything came out looking really nice. So I'm gonna get it all back together and put some decals. There's a decal that goes here. It's a little round Tonka, little oval thing, and there's a decal that goes here that says road grader. If you look in the other video, you can kind of see where that decal went on the other one. And I believe that's all the decals that went on this toy. So yeah, I'm gonna carry on with it, and I'll do one more video that's gonna show it all put back together. Thanks for watching.